Hello, I'm Michel, co-founder of GMBapi.com. Excited to have you with us at the GMBapi Academy, where we're on a mission to demystify our platform's features and functions. In this video, you'll find information on our Attributes tab, providing you with a closer look at your location and their specific attributes.
Let's dive deeper into managing your locations. Head back to the sidebar, and under Locations, you'll spot the Attributes tab. This will show a list of all of your locations and any of the attributes that have been added. These cover attributes sourced from Google Business Profile, covering a range of services like curbside pickup, accessibility needs, delivery, and payment specifics. Sort your locations via store code, location, health, label, or search for a specific location.